In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Ads certificate to LinkedIn profile. Showcasing your certifications on LinkedIn helps recruiters and clients quickly verify your skills, and the Google Ads credential is a great one to highlight. Let's walk through the process clearly so you can add it in just a couple of minutes. First, head to linkedin.com and, if prompted, sign in. From the homepage, open your profile. You can do that by clicking your profile photo or the Me menu and choosing View Profile. This takes you to the main page where all your information is displayed. On your profile, look for the Add Profile section button. Click it to open the options. In the panel that appears, switch to the Recommended section, which groups common additions together. Choose Add Licenses and Certifications. This opens the form where you'll enter the details of your credential. In the name field, type Google Ads Certification. If you prefer to be more specific, you can use the exact exam title you completed, but Google Ads Certification is perfectly clear and widely recognized. Next, set the issuing organization. Start typing Google, then select Google Ads, Google Partner, from the dropdown. Picking the official issuer helps LinkedIn display the correct organization and logo, which makes your certification look more credible to anyone viewing your profile. Now select your issue date. Choose the month and year that match the date shown on your certificate. If you're not sure, you can quickly check your completion date in your Google Skillshop account and come back to this form. Accuracy here helps hiring managers understand how current your knowledge is. You'll also see an option to add media. This is optional, but it's a great way to provide proof. You can paste a public link to your certificate or upload a PDF or image. If you're using a link, make sure the sharing settings allow viewers to see it without logging in. If you upload a file, give it a clear title so it's easy to identify at a glance. When everything looks correct, click Save. Your Google Ads credential will appear under the License and Certifications section on your profile. Take a moment to review the entry to ensure the name, issuer, and date are accurate. You can always return to your profile later and edit this information if anything changes. That's it. You've successfully added your Google Ads certification to LinkedIn, making your expertise more visible and verifiable to your network and potential employers.